Welcome to this video. I am Physics and today we are going to be going over how to revise for GCSE and A-level maths. First of all, practice makes permanent, meaning that a topic you have learned or that you learned a long time ago is important that you practice questions on the topic. This can be done through exam questions on the topic. As soon as you learn a topic, it is important that you practice questions on them in order to see how well you understand the content and if you remember them. And the second way of doing so is via exam questions and past papers. You can also test your understanding on the topic via exam questions on the topic as well, as also slowly starting to do past papers, which will test your knowledge on all the content you have learned. I'd recommend starting the past papers in the beginning of year 11 for GCSEs and year 13 for A-levels. So, what to do if you are struggling on a specific topic? I would recommend doing the following steps. It's important to do these steps in different days so you're more likely to remember it in the long term. I wouldn't recommend doing it all in one go as you're more likely to forget it. So day 1. Watch videos on the topic. Here are a list of YouTubers that I highly recommend and which I used for my GCSEs and A-levels, and I couldn't recommend them enough. Day 2. Exam solutions. This is a really effective way of practicing and revising maths on any topic, as there are a variety of questions which has a video solution of every topic, so you understand where you went wrong and how to do the method properly if you get stuck. It also contains really good videos for your understanding for understanding the topics as well if you get stuck on anything. On the right of the screen you can see an example of how to access this revision material. And this example is for integration. So day 3, reattempt the exam questions and exercises on the topic. Day 4, mark the questions you have done to make an evaluation on your understanding. And day 5, make a revision card on the topic. I would only recommend doing this if the structure and method of the solution are nearly exactly the same for all questions relating to that topic, so you can remember it. I would also recommend doing this to remember any key facts about different topics and hacks for challenging and difficult questions. To make the most out of them, you should be reviewing them every week as a little recap on the topic so you don't forget the topic. On the right of the screen you can see an example of where I used to keep my revision cards, which is in a little pocket of a notebook that I used to answer exam questions on, so I could access them easily and not forget where I put them, and not lose any. And there you have it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something from this video, and it would be really appreciated if you could share this video and subscribe. Have a fantastic day.